What is the difference between same and valid padding in tf.nn.max_pool of TensorFlow? What is the difference between same and valid padding in tf.nn.max_pool of TensorFlow? In my opinion, valid means there will be no zero padding outside the edges when we do max pool. According to a guide to convolution arithmetic for deep learning, it says that there will be no padding in pool operator, i.e. just use valid of TensorFlow. But what is same padding of max pool in TensorFlow?
If you like ASCII art, valid equals without padding. Same equals with zero padding. In this example, input width equals 13, filter width equals 6, stride equals 5. Notes: valid only ever drops the rightmost columns, or bottommost rows. Same tries to pad evenly left and right, but if the amount of columns to be added is odd, it will add the extra column to the right. As is the case in this example, the same logic applies vertically. There may be an extra row of zeros at the bottom. Edit. About the name. With same padding, if you use a stride of 1, the layer's outputs will have the same spatial dimensions as its inputs. With valid padding, there's no made-up padding inputs. The layer only uses valid input data.
When stride is 1, more typical with convolution than pooling, we can think of the following distinction. Same, output size is the same as input size. This requires the filter window to slip outside input map, hence the need to pad. Valid, filter window stays at valid position inside input map, so output size shrinks by filter_size 1. No padding occurs.
I'll give an example to make it clearer. X, input image of shape, 2, 3, 1 channel, valid_pad, max pull width 2x2 kernel, stride 2 and valid padding, same _pad, max pull width 2x2 kernel, stride 2 and same padding. This is the classic way to go. The output shapes are valid_pad, here, no padding so the output shape is 1, 1, same _pad, here, we pad the image to the shape, 2, 4, with inf and then apply max pull, so the output shape is 1, 2.
The TensorFlow convolution example gives an overview about the difference between same and valid. For the same padding, the output height and width are computed as and. For the valid padding, the output height and width are computed as
Complimenting Avastiri's great answer, I found this visualization extremely helpful. Padding valid is the first figure. The filter window stays inside the image. Padding same is the third figure. The output is the same size. Found it on this article. Visualization credits, Damoulin at GitHub.